Hello everyone. My name is Malakon Pulaksa. You can call meต่อ. I'm student at Kasetsart University. I'm studying in civil engineering. My dream job is to become a science engineer. I want to work in the field design and build safe, strong, and sustainable structure that really improve people's life. To achieve that dream, I have developed several skills. I can use AutoCAD skill, SketchUp, Microsoft Excel, and Word. I also know how to design concrete mix and work with survey instruments such as total station, mechanical cameras, levels, and compass. For my character, I would describe myself as hardworking, responsible, and dependable. I enjoy working with a team and I believe honesty and determination are the key to success as engineer. When it comes to my learning style, I learn based thought, practice. I like to apply theories in real projects. And I also research and technology to improve my knowledge and skill. Of course, life is not only about study or work, so to keep a good balance, I manage my time between studying, improving myself, spending time with family, and also taking care of my health. I believe a good engineer needs both strong knowledge and healthy lifestyle. Finally, my biggest motivation is to contribute to sustainable development. I want to use innovative methods like low carbon concrete to reduce environmental impacts. At the same time, my family inspire me to work hard, never give up, and make them proud. Thanks for listening about my dream job and my motivation. Thank you and see you later.